you just a really quick look at this hair. I'm actually going to do a quick little styling video. Maybe just throw, I think I'm going to throw some wand curls in here. I really don't know. I kind of like the way that it looks. It's just kind of like fresh. This is a body wave, of course. This is actually from a company called Miss by Hair. Let me show you the packaging just because clearly I freaking forgot the name. Anyway, so yeah, so it is Miss by. This is what the wig box looks like. Kind of like this little, yeah, shimmery situation. But anyway, they did go ahead and send me their 360 wig. This complete space here is all lace, so I have the ability to part this wig on either side, middle part, side part, deep side part, pull it up into a ponytail if I really wanted to. I did get this in a length 22 inch, and of course it is just a body wave hair. So the hair is really long on me, especially. I'm only 5'2", so the hair hits me like literally at my butt, like in the back, and then in the front it is like to my belly button, so it's really long. I'm definitely gonna throw some wand curls in it and just kind of see how it looks from there, just to give it a little bit more of a wave than what it already is. This is just like the hair freshly washed. I lightly like combed it out, but nothing too crazy. I have not done anything to this hair. It did come with the knots slightly bleached. I do have a light brown, I believe the lace color is light brown because it did have that little tint to it, which I absolutely love because of course it bleeds to the skin just a little bit better. So far the shedding, I am getting some hair like I got shedding just a bit, nothing too dramatic, but it is kind of shedding a little bit just based off of when I was kind of going through it and laying down my baby hair and all that, which was kind of annoying, but nothing too crazy. The hair is really soft to touch as of right now. One thing that I've noticed with like some of these lace wigs, they'll lay fine for like the first couple of days, and then after that, yeah, no, it's like a no-go. So I'll definitely be kind of keeping a look on this just to see how things go. So far I'm not getting any tangling like in the back of my hair, so that's really good, especially because the hair is like super long. So yeah, without further ado, let me go ahead and just throw some curls into it, and then I'll be right back. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to throw a couple of curls in it. As you can see, it's nothing too crazy, just a little bit of waves. It's cute, and then what they'll do is just kind of fall. They're kind of messy right now. I don't know, but anyway, so far so good. The hair still feels really soft. It's not tangling. I'll definitely have to see how long the curls hold. Thus far they seem to be okay, but I mean, I literally just put them in, and then not to mention they're not even like the most perfect curls anyway. But yeah, so this is on an adjustable cap, so of course with the 360 lace full wigs. Usually they do have the adjustable straps in the back, which keeps really tight, so it is considered like a glueless lace wig, so you don't have to do much to it. I choose to go ahead and just kind of swoop out little baby hair here just to kind of give me more of a natural feel, even though we know it's not my hair. So as you guys know, I've been using like frontals, quick weaves, braids, like so many different things to kind of allow my hair to just kind of sit, rest, breathe. I've been using these as like protective styles. The 360 frontal #1 has probably been like the biggest thing here, because usually I'll go ahead and put the wig on, of course, when I'm ready to go, take it off at night, and so all that I have to do is like moisturize and condition my braids. You guys, this literally has been my best friend. I can literally lift up the entire back of this wig because it's not down. The only thing that's like literally holding is this little side right here, and even on this side, all that I did was just kind of swoop a little bit of baby hair, but this flap like at the bottom is not even down all the way. So that shows you can literally just throw on the wig and go. I know some of you guys are really scared about trying wigs, which I completely understand, but there are combs here. So it's 2 combs on the side, 1 at the top, so it's secure. It's not going anywhere. Like, guys, the wig is literally not going anywhere. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with wigs, and I know that I have to kind of get out of that, which is why I've been doing so many like protective styles with leave out, and then I'm going to end up rolling out my braid videos, like the Senegalese twist and chunky and thin box braids. So you guys be on the lookout for that. It's definitely coming. Thank you so much, Miss Bye, for sending me the hair. This hair looks beautiful, and I'm definitely gonna add this to one of my collections, right? That's sad. I'm gonna add this to my collection of hair. And of course, you guys, if you don't know already, I do have a website called ForeverCryssy.com. Usually the wigs that I review, I end up putting on the website. They are lightly used. Sometimes I make custom units and just kind of throw that up there. So if you guys didn't know that, now you know. But other than that, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll definitely be holding on to this. I won't be dyeing it or anything like that. It'll just be another straight wig that I have as a protective style. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Stay pretty. Leave any comments or questions down below. If you guys are wondering where I got this top from, because you guys always seem to ask me that, it's a company called Miss Pap. It's either Miss Pap or... did I get this from Miss Pap? Yeah, definitely Miss Pap. I'll leave the link below if I remember, which I probably won't. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. See you guys later. Bye.